Hello, we're back to telling everyone why they should move to Ohio, why they should stay in Ohio, and why they should vacation in Ohio. We have one of the greatest tourist uh, attractions in Dayton, close to the Dayton Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. It's called the Wright-Patterson Air Force Museum, and it is free. That means there is no charge to admission, and they're open every day. And they're at 1100 Spat Street in Wright Patterson. And as I said, there is no charge. They're open 9 to 5, 7 days a week, except for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's Day. It is pretty neat. There's like 16 acres in the grounds. You can see spaceships. You can see the capsules that John Glenn and a variety of the astronauts flew in. You see all kinds of airplanes from World War One, World War Two, Korean War, Vietnam War, and there's just lots to see. Yeah, they have a theater. You go in and watch movies and flicks of space travel and the airplanes. And just in case you didn't know, the Wright brothers are from Dayton. They're the first two guys that flew the plane successfully. They were out in the Carolinas when they did that off of a cliff. They had more air support there, so it was great. It's a great place to take the family, and it's free. So come to Ohio if you're thinking about relocating from wherever you are. This is one great reason to come to Ohio. We have lots of neat things to see in history and space technology. And in a day or two, we'll talk about the Neil Armstrong Air and Space Museum. It's just up the street from Wright Pat. They're up in Wapakoneta, and Neil Armstrong was the very first person to step on the face of the moon. So we'll talk about that later, and have a great day. Please come to Ohio to vacation, to live, or just to stay. It is an awesome place to be, and this is just one reason.